Students, I am Aritraj Chakraborty, lecturer in electrical engineering of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today, I am going to discuss the ninth part of the lecture of circuit interrupting device. Today, our topic is MCCB or Molded Case Circuit Breaker. So the MCCB stands for Molded Case Circuit Breaker. It is a protecting device which protects the circuit from overloading. It is mainly used in a place where adjustable tripping requires. Okay, that means the trip circuit can be respond in different voltages. The current rating of MCCB is up to 2500 ampere. It is mainly used for high current application. The voltage, the MCCB has a manually operated switch for tripping the circuit. The MCCB has two arrangements, one for the over temperature and the other for the over current. So it can be operated for thermal protection also. It consists bimetallic contacts which expands and contracts when the temperature of MCCB changes. During the normal operating conditions, the contacts allow the current to flow through the circuit, but as the current rises beyond the predefined value, then their contacts will warm and expand until the contacts are open. Thus, disconnected the circuit from the main supply and protects the equipment from the damage due to overloading. Okay. Now, the next slide is earth leakage circuit breaker or ELCB. If any current leaks from any electrical installation, there must be any insulation failure in the electrical circuit. It must be properly detected and prevented, otherwise there may be a high chance of electrical shock if anyone touches the installation or electric installation. An earth leakage circuit breaker does it efficiently, means it detects the earth leakage current and makes the power supply off by opening the associated circuit breakers. There are two types of earth leakage circuit breaker. One is voltage ELCB and another is the current ELCB. And the current ELCB is also known as residual current circuit breaker or RCCB. Now, the first one is the voltage earth leakage circuit breaker. So here you can see the circuit diagram of voltage earth leakage circuit breaker. So it is a three-phase forward system, that is the red, yellow, blue lines, and that is the neutral, and that is the circuit breaker. That is the plunger, that means that is the moving contact, and these are the fixed contact, and it is connected with the load, and the load is earth, and that is the relay which is connected to the moving contact, and the relay is also earth. The working principle of the voltage ELCB is quite simple. One terminal of the relay coil is connected to the metal body of the equipment to be protected against earth leakage, and other terminal is connected to the earth directly. If any installation failure occurs on live phase where touches the metal body of the equipment, there must be a voltage difference appears across the terminals of the coil connected to the equipment body and earth. This voltage difference produces a current to flow the relay coil. And now, if the voltage difference crosses a predefined or predetermined limit, the current through the relay becomes sufficient to actuate the relay for tripping the associated circuit breaker to disconnect the power supply to the equipment. The typicality of this device is it can detect and protect only that equipment or installation with which it is attached. It cannot detect any leakage of insulation in other parts of the system. That is the main advantage of this system. Okay. Now the next slide is the current ELCB or residual current circuit breaker or RCCB. So what is RCCB? The working principle of current earth leakage circuit breaker or RCCB is also very simple as voltage operated ELCB. But the theory is entirely different, and residual current circuit breaker is more sensitive than the ELCB. Actually, ELCB are two kinds, but it is general practice to refer voltage-based ELCB as simple ELCB and current-based ELCB is referred to RCD or RCCB. Here, one CT, that is current transformer core, is energized from both phase wear and neutral wear. Now, the single phase current ELCB or RCCB. So here you can see the circuit diagram of single phase current ELCB. So you can see here a phase and a neutral line, and this is the phase, that is the neutral, that is the circuit breaker fixed contacts, that is the moving contact which is connected to the relay, and that is the CT, and that is the core, and this line is connected with the load, and the load is earth. So single phase residual current that circuit breaker, that is ELCB, the polarity of the phase winding and neutral winding on the core is so chosen that in normal condition MMF of one winding opposes that of the another. As it is assumed that in normal operating condition the current goes through the phase wear will be returned via neutral wear if there is no leakage in between, as both currents are same. The resultant MMF produced by these two current is also zero ideally. And the relay coil connected with another third winding wound on the CT core as secondary. The terminals of this winding are connected to a relay system. In normal operating condition, there would not be any current circulating in the third winding as there is no flux in the core due to equal phase and neutral current. When any earth leakage occurs in the equipment, there may be a part of phase current passes in the earth through the leakage path instead of returning via neutral wear. Hence, the magnitude of the neutral current passing through the RCCB is not equal to the phase current passing through it. So that is the working principle of single phase current ELCB or the residual current circuit breaker, that is the RCCB. And now the very important one, that is the three phase current ELCB or RCCB. So that is the circuit diagram of three-phase 4-wire system where the ELCB or three-phase ELCB, current ELCB or RCCB is connected. You can see here that is the R or red phase, that is the yellow phase, that is the blue phase, and that is the neutral. And that is the circuit breaker is connected with the RYBN line. Okay. And this is the moving contact of the circuit breaker. That is the moving contact. That is the fixed contact, same as the relay is connected with the moving contact. That is the CT. That is the core of the CT, and that is the load, and the load is R. So here the 4-wire is used instead of 2-wire, that is RYB 3-phase and another is neutral. And now the principle of operation of three-phase current ELCB or RCCB is here. Three-phase residual current circuit breaker or current ELCB. When this different crosses a predetermined value, the current in third secondary winding of the core becomes sufficiently high to actuate the electromagnetic relay attached to it. This relay causes tripping of the associated circuit breaker to disconnect the power supply to the equipment under protection. A residual current circuit breaker is sometimes also referred as residual current device or RCD. So RCD and RCCB are same. And also the current ELCB is same as RCCB. When we consider the device by disassociating the circuit breaker attached to RCCB, that means the entire parts of RCCB except circuit breaker are referred as RCD. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.